Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin in Settings because that's where System toggles live. Tap Control Center now to reveal the switch controlling access. You need to act in System so changes persist. If your device uses a passcode or Face ID, make sure it's available. This prevents accidental lockouts and confirms you have administrator access. Once here, locate Access within Apps and the Access on Lock Screen options. These are the first actionable toggles. You'll flip to limit accidental pulls. Now you'll turn off the specific switches. Disable access within apps to stop Control Center from appearing during gameplay or videos, which prevents disruptions. Next, toggle off access on lock screen so the control panel can't be summoned when the phone is locked, reducing unauthorized control. After each toggle, watch the small animation and test quickly by swiping from the edge. This verifies the system applied the change. If you use guided access, make sure it doesn't override these settings. Finish by restarting the iPhone to clear temporary UI states. Power off and back on so the toggles settle properly. If Control Center still appears, check Settings General Software Update. An iOS bug may require an update. As an alternative, enable guided access for single app lockdowns. This forces controls off during a session. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or reset all settings. Do this only if you understand it keeps data but restores defaults. One tip: test after each step to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.